7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Good morning, South. I'm Michaela.
And I'm Kayla. I can't believe we're already 2 days down of second semester.
Yeah, I love my second semester classes so much.
Almost as much as I love giving today's news.
Well, too bad. I'm going to start today's show. Total tickets are still on sale at the ASB window, and if you plan to bring a guest, their forms are due on February 22nd. No exceptions. Attention all first semester PE students. If you have not cleared out your locker yet, you need to ASAP. Anything left will be donated this Monday. With that being said, anything not collected from the lost and found will be donated this Friday. Head to the security office to claim what's yours. Men's dive is heading off to state tomorrow. They be getting into the water at the King County Aquatic Center at 8:30. Ladies basketball has their big playoff game Friday at Skyview. Tip-off is at 7, and you can catch it live on our YouTube channel.
Spring sports are coming fast. They officially start later this month, but remember, your final forms registration must be completed in order to be eligible. Visit the athletic office during non-class time if you have any questions. Spring athletes grades 9 to 11 need to complete a mandatory baseline concussion test before being eligible to compete. Those interested in baseball, fast pitch, men's soccer, or pole vaulting need to attend the session starting next week. Those interested in ladies water polo should attend the preseason meeting today after school in the Commons. Baseball will also hold a meeting tomorrow at Stage 2, so if you're not looking to strike out, stop by at 6 p.m. If you're nervous about the new semester, Riley's got your back with a few tips.
With the start of the second semester, you may have a lot of habits that have built up over time, including missing assignments. At the beginning, you may have thought, wow, this is easy, I'm going to keep up with my stuff. And then these assignments, you get done very easily. But over time, they start accumulating. Accumulating so fast that you don't know how to take care of it. So ask people around the school, what mistakes did they do that they would rather overcome in second semester?
Writing my notes because I suck at writing. My handwriting is bad.
Not studying for tests, doing homework in on time, and then that's probably it.
Even with all these mistakes, what would you change and how would you do it?
Using my planner. So I used my planner like the first 2 days of school, and then I forgot about it.
I definitely take more time out of my day outside of school to study and do school instead of doing my extracurricular activities.
I'm going to start using it by writing down my missing papers and my work that needs to get done for like my upcoming classes.
And with all this, one of the biggest things you can do is to stay organized. And the best thing is that the school gave you a planner to begin with. Have a big test that you need to plan? Well, write it in your planner and you're good. And how would you remember about assignments that you missed? Well, with a planner, you don't have to forget. Try it out, you might as well. And don't forget to stay organized, South, and make second semester a better semester.
I'm really hoping I can keep all my grades up. Thanks, Riley, for the little boost. Seniors and juniors, if you're thinking about joining the Army and want to learn more about the medical field and aviation, sign up for a tour of JBLM in the Career Center today. Are you interested in technical education after high school? Olympic College is hosting an on-campus What's Next tour, where you can check out several of their programs, which include the medical field, filmmaking, culinary, medical fabrication, and more. Check your grade level Google Classroom for details or see the Career Center. The deadline is tomorrow. Seniors, scholarships continue to roll in. It's time to stay updated with the SKHS scholarship webpage for updates, as there are local scholarships with February deadlines. You can find the QR code in the Career Center. Don't procrastinate so you can get a head start on filling your savings account.
Grad night is back, seniors. Join the best graduation party there is after you walk across the stage at the Tacoma Dome. There will be a grad night info table at lunches today for any questions you might have. You can also email SKHS2023gradnight@gmail.com. Cosmetology and Self-Care is holding a karaoke night this Friday. Join them at 7 in Stage 2 for just $4 to show off your musical skills. The sophomore class is still selling candygrams this week at the ASB office. Get one for your special someone for just $1. Keep in mind that speech and debate will not be meeting today. The clubs meeting today are auto tech, cosmetology and self-care, esports, journalism, and QSA. Meeting tomorrow will be 3D Wit, Art, Spanish, STEM, DECA, German, Japanese, Psychology, Yearbook, and Shades of Color. Also, this is for all club advisors. Please confirm your club information is correct on the SK Club page. This helps others be clear on who is meeting.
Well, we're one step closer to the end of the year.
Oh, come on. It's only the third day of second semester. It's not that close to the end.
Well, I guess you're right. Only 86 more school days until we're completely done with this year, and even less for our seniors.
That's scary that you keep track.
Yeah. I think this marks the end of the show.
Yep, I agree. Have a good day, South.
Bye.